Alright YouTube, welcome back to another video, y'all. And as y'all can see from the thumbnail, we're gonna be adding tire stickers on the car, y'all. They say SRT, and then they're gonna say Hellcat on the top. And of course, we're gonna put them on the scat pack right here, y'all. So we're gonna ride down the highway with Hellcat stickers on the scat pack. You know what I'm saying? So, what y'all think about that? Nah, just playing. We can put it on the cat though. So we're gonna put it on the cat. We're gonna put SRT stickers and Hellcat stickers on the car, y'all. So this how they come. I'll let y'all see it real quick. These are the permanent stickers, and I ordered them from tirestickers.com. Y'all can see right here. And these are the permanent ones, y'all. And it comes with, of course, the stickers right here. And then this is like, I think rubber cleaner or the cleaner for the stickers. And then the glue. So we're gonna add all that on right now. And then I'm gonna show y'all how I'm gonna do it real quick. And I'm gonna show y'all how it's gonna look when we done. So first and foremost, I'm gonna show y'all the necessities y'all gonna need. Come on, zoom in. This is what y'all gonna need right here. Y'all gonna need some Ace-On because you gotta get all the dirt off, and we gotta clean the hell out this tire. And I mean real good. And I'm gonna clean it quite a few times. You're gonna need some rubber gloves because you really don't want to get that shit on your hand like that. And you're gonna need a bottle of water because it's hot as hell. But that's all you really gonna need. And the towel, of course. But I got everything I need right here. So we're gonna clean this real quick, real good, and then we're gonna smack them on. So let's do it. One part real fast, and then we're gonna slow it down for the rest of the tires. But right now, we're gonna show y'all this right about now. And bow, we got it on there, y'all. All right, we're gonna go do the other side real quick. I'm gonna show y'all the process of putting them on and all that stuff. But I wanted to show y'all a simple, quick little picture real fast before I get the other side put on. But yeah, that's how it's gonna look, y'all. So let's do the other side real fast, and I'm gonna show y'all how it's done. Let's do it. All right, y'all. So I had to clean the tires super good again, man, to get them real clean the way I want them. And y'all gonna, like I said, y'all gonna need a big ass bottle of that Ace-On right there, cause that's what you definitely gonna need to get it real clean. Now I forgot to mention too, y'all definitely need a blow dryer too, cause y'all gonna have to blow dry them on there. So this how the back of them look. This the glue right here that I got, and then like I said, they had separated these. So you got the SR on one, then you got the T, so I gotta put them together. I play it like a puzzle. And then you're gonna put the Hellcat symbol on the end of it. So I'm gonna start gluing them real quick, and I'm gonna show y'all how they done. So I'm gonna mount it right there, real quick. Mount it right there by the wheel so y'all can see it. Lift it up so you can see the whole wheel. Make sure y'all, my recording buddy left, y'all, so I'm on my own on the recording tip. So, alright. What we're gonna do, we're gonna start with the top first. We're gonna start with the heel first because they separated them. So we're gonna grab this, grab the glue like that. Then you just take the glue, put it on there, and then make sure y'all put it on each. Make sure y'all can see me. Make sure y'all put it on each line. You know what I'm saying? So. Put it down like that, go across like that. Yeah, actually this is real simple. And then I meant to tell y'all too, before I bought the permanent ones, I bought the temporary ones. And the temporary ones was like some stickers. Shit trash. I bought the stickers, they trash. I don't like them because I don't like the way they look. And then they're harder to put on there. Like this is real simple and easy to do. And they stick better, you know what I'm saying? But them stickers, they ain't really stick that good. So we're gonna take this like that. We're gonna stick it on there like that. So we're gonna get on this side right here. And basically you wanna line it up how you want it, you know what I'm saying? So also don't put too much glue on it because you don't want it to ooze out from the side, but you can always go behind your work and fix it, you know what I'm saying? So see how I want it, something like that. I like to make sure mine kind of perfect, y'all. So push down on it like so. Push down on the rear real good. Ride your blow dry, right? Make sure you blow dry. Push that thing all the way on hot too. You know what I'm saying? Then you're gonna stick on it like that. You're hot, man. Real hot. Alright, so I do it like that first. And then I'm gonna remove the little top layer of it. Now, some of them is gonna get stuck on there. But what y'all gonna do is get your glue. What I did with it right here. And then whatever part that came off a little bit, just go up under it, pull a little bit. See, now that it's stuck now. I'll just go behind it, put a little bit more glue up under there. Stick it on there. And I'll check the rest. Make sure anything else, ain't nothing else popping up. If it is, stick it out a little bit. Push it on there. So sometimes you gotta go behind it and check it to make sure it's good. Grab that heat gun. Go back over it again. Ooh, it's hot. Then it'd be like a little extra layer of like a little plastic right here. I'll just peel that off like this. Throw that shit to the side or something. But yeah, that easy, y'all. Like that. Now I gotta connect the other part. Make sure everything still groovy. Okay. Now we're gonna get the cap part right here. Cap part. Put it right here. Now how I ordered it, when I ordered it, they had it like, it was cat, and then the little cat sign is supposed to go on the end of this. But I don't like it like that. I want the SRT right here. I'm gonna put the cat after the SRT, because it looks a little better like that. All right, I'm gonna glue this out up real quick. And then this is basically how the process is, y'all. So y'all basically just gluing it on. Glue the back of it on. Make sure the wheel real clean. Glue the back of it on like this. And then shit, blow dry it on there. But y'all gotta, when I tell y'all gotta really clean this thing, man, y'all gotta really clean it. So we're gonna do this side real quick. Make sure that glue, throw it all the edges real quick. Make sure it's all through the edges. Like that. You don't want the edges pulling out. So, all right. We line it up. Stick it on there. Oh shit. Stick it on like that. Get the glue gun. Make sure y'all push firmly on it, real good. You gotta push every side of it to make sure it really sticks. Ooh, this shit hot, boy. Ah, damn. Oh. All right. All right, y'all, and that's the top part. That's the top part of it. So now we gotta just do the bottom piece on this wheel, and then we're pretty much decent. So what we're gonna do is, so now y'all see the process of me doing it now. We're gonna speed it up because I don't wanna bore y'all out to death. So we're gonna speed it up real quick on that on this side and the other side. And then, I don't know, y'all, I'm thinking about doing a scat too. I just don't know what color. Y'all give me some ideas of colors I could do for the scat. Should I do white? I don't know. What y'all think? Because that color just throwing me off. I don't really know what to match with that color. So y'all tell me, let me know in the description below what y'all think color. Should I just do white words? Should I do white words on the wheels on this one? On the scat? Or what? I don't know. Y'all let me know. But I do want to put some on. I don't know. Or should I just leave it like it is? Maybe I should leave it like it is. I don't know. I don't know. Y'all let me know. But for the cat, you know, it look good on the cat because it matched the ones on the window up there and the ones on the back. You know, I got that one on top right there. So yeah, it's gonna go crazy on there. All right, y'all, let's get back started on this. We'll get busy on the rest of these on the birds and the ones on the back. So let's do it. All right, y'all, and y'all see, we got all of them on. I gotta clean up, I got a big ass mess. But we got them all on now, y'all. These damn things sticking to the floor. All right, what y'all think? I'm gonna do a roll video down the street too to y'all, so y'all can get a good look at it when it's rolling down the street. But I'm gonna let those dry up real quick, and I'm gonna roll them down the street. So, man, so far it look good though. I like it though. I love the new look. Oh, goddamn, I almost fell off the damn scooter. Shit, I'm about to sue my son. Damn, man. I almost fell on his damn scooter. But now, look. Y'all get a good look at it. Yeah, look, man, it look good to me. It's gonna be flicking when y'all, when I get down that highway too, it's gonna be flicking, man. It's gonna be flicking. But this is why I bought it from too, y'all. Tire stickers. Y'all go to Tire Stickers. Y'all put in y'all tire size, how big y'all want them. And you know, go from there. So it's pretty much why I got them from y'all tire stickers. These are the permanent ones, and this is the directions on how you do it. Or y'all could just see how I did it, which I did it the exact same way they got it on here. So that's pretty much how that go to y'all. So damn, this thing look good though. I'm loving the look. I'm loving the look. I'm loving the look. Then it matched the brake calipers, SRT calipers. Then y'all see I got the Hellcat cap on there as well, just the face. So it all match. We're gonna get a roll video. I might have to move the scat out the way for a minute. Need to clean the scat, and then we're gonna get the Hellcat out. I'm gonna ride down the block. Y'all see we got the other scat outside, so we scat in the driveway. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, we're gonna pull the scat out the way and pull the cat out. Do a roll video down the street and show y'all how it look when I'm rolling. So let's go ahead and do it. I'm gonna drive down, turn around, and come back. make sure y'all go to Tire Stickers, get y'all stickers, man, the permanent ones. And then pretty much, hey, we rolling with the red on the tires, and we look good now. You know what I'm saying? Now we roll. But hit that like button, that sub button, and we out. Let go.